Unlock the power of instant, legally binding signatures by mastering Docusign's simple request process. Let's dive into how to request signatures on your documents with Docusign. First, log in to your Docusign account and locate the prominent Send a Document for Signature button. Click it to begin. Next, you'll need to upload the document you want signed. You can drag and drop your file directly into the designated area or click to browse your computer and select the file. Docusign supports a wide range of file types. Now, it's time to specify who needs to sign in the Who Needs to Sign section. Enter the email addresses of each signer. You can add multiple people for each signer. You'll also input their full name. If you need the document signed in a specific order, click Add Recipient, and then select Set Signing Order here. Simply drag and drop the names to arrange them in the sequence you desire. You'll then be taken to the document preview. This is where you'll place the required fields for each signer. On the left-hand side, you'll find a palette of fields like signature, initials, and date. Simply drag these fields directly onto the relevant spots on your document. Remember to assign each field to the correct signer by selecting their name from the dropdown. Before sending, customize the email your signers will receive. Fill in the email subject with something clear and concise, and write a brief email message explaining the purpose of the document and what action is required. This ensures your signers have all the necessary context. With everything set up, review your document one last time. When you're ready, hit the Send button. Your document is now on its way to your signers. And that's how you efficiently request signatures on Docusign. Streamline your document management and get those crucial signatures with ease. For more Docusign tips, subscribe.